I have no idea how a 6 foot tall and a 5 foot tall person are supposed to get this rooftop tent on top of an SUV. So we got a winch. Either this is going to be our best idea yet, or probably the worst one that we'll regret. I guess you guys will have to watch and be the judge. All right. Big lesson. Make sure the measurements of the car is correct. This works for a sedan, not an SUV. Alright, since that's the wrong size, you know what that means. We gotta put these ones right back up where they came from. Inside this box has the winch that we need to use to lift up the whole entire rooftop tent in this little tiny box right here. Alright, have some type of eyewit. Like, oh my god, this thing's huge. Oh my god. Whoa. Alright. Just to give you guys kind of a little bit of a peek of what we're about to do. So we're going to loop this around the tree branch. This is our fake tree branch right here. Loop it a few times. Alright, there's our little tree branch. Then what we're going to do is put this onto our tree branch. Just this. Ooh. Oh man, this thing's heavy. It's a little button. Should lower. Whoa. There you go. Alright, I mean it's loud. But it's working, and that's all that matters. This also just got dropped off by Amazon. This essentially is a 4-pin harness that we're going to use. So then this part attaches to the end of that winch that we were just pulling. This winch at the end of it is going to hook right onto the top of this hook here. Boom. So that's going to be hooked together. While that's hooked together and it gets pulled up by the winch, of course, just going up, 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 and up, these 4 connections down here at the bottom are what's going to be connected to the rooftop tent itself. Right here on the rooftop tent. Hoping that that can support it enough. So there'll be one here, over here. And then we'll do another 2 on the other side, so there'll be 4 points all connected. Here's the tree in question, and there is the branch that we're planning on using. So that's around the tree there. A little hook right there. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but we'll try it. This right here, I'm not sure if the camera's even on us. The issue is I can't really pull this up because of the type of material. So what I have to do is hold one side, lift it, and pull. The only other thing I could think of is using this table that I should be able to stand on, and I just have to lift it. The issue is you can't just lift this by itself. You gotta lift this to hold it, and you can hold it, but you gotta lift it up to be able to do it. What do you think? I gotta lift this up. Okay. And when I lift, I gotta pull this. Oh gosh. Okay. There we go. We're getting there. Oh. Okay. Wrapping this around the tree to hopefully hold that up. Whew. Oh boy. Whose idea is this? Alright. Jeez. The SUV, we got the winch right over here. What we're gonna do now is grab the rooftop tent from inside the garage, line it up, hoist it up, and fingers crossed it gets up there in one piece and no issues. All right, let's go. You're good. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Okay. 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 Take a break. Take a break. Good. Put it on. Okay. All right. Whew. All right. Well, moment of truth. So the game plan is I'm gonna hook it onto here, and then we're just gonna lift this up. Once it gets off the table, we'll pull the table out. We'll see if it's supporting it, and if it is, we lift it up, we back the car up, and we're good.
Yeah, for sure that is gonna...
Yeah, I swung by it earlier. We'll see. Okay, you guys ready? So, I'll flip it onto here. Okay, I should lift that up. Okay, these are pretty long. I hope it's good enough. Oh, mother trucker. You guys, I forgot to hit the power button. Hold on. Okay, here we go. I got the remote on now, and go. It's using a lot of wattage out of our battery bank. Yes. Yes, Sarah?
Do you have the tools to attach it once it's on there?
Yeah, the bag's right here. We gotta slide it through the rails. I'll do it on top of the car. Okay. Sorry, Sarah had a question. Here we go. Moment of truth. About to get tight. Alright, it's tightening up. It might swing a little bit towards the car like Sarah said.
Is it even gonna be tall enough?
You...
I don't think it is.
Oh shit. It's gonna be close. I think it might just fit.
Let's bring in the table with it.
Alright, it's up. What are you thinking? Is anything moving? Alright, we're rolling. I'm gonna leave the table underneath just in case it doesn't. Just in case it drops. These are our whole thing. Did you guys think this would actually work? Alright. Let us know in the comments if this is a really bad idea. Oh man, we're running out of winch. I'm backing up for my safety. Don't want it to spin though. I really hope those bolts. Oh no!
Like,
Just short. I think we could back up the car and kind of lift it up. Honestly, I think that'll probably be what we do. Okay.
Are you sure? You don't want to just drop it and like bring that up just a tad?
That was extremely hard to do because I had to stand up on the table and lift it. I did it when you weren't
I
here.
just don't know how we're gonna lift it. We have one ladder.
Well, I was thinking you back up the car. I tell you back it up. I'll jump on the top of the roof, and then all I have to do is kind of angle it and lift it.
Oh, I'm back.
Well, I think yeah, because then I'll jump on the top. This is a
Okay, well, let's hurry.
yeah. Let's hurry, because
Process of-
yeah, I know. Okay, back it up. Open your window.
It is open.
Okay, back it up. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, back it up. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, please.
It's hard. It's not going unless I hit the gas.
Okay, well. thing just spun around again.
And is it on the right way?
Yep, that's why I spun it. Go ahead. Keep going. 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 Just keep going.
Is it moving?
No. What's happening to the car?
If I press the gas right now, is that fine?
Yeah, go ahead. Okay, 1 sec. You're good. I'm not going underneath that. I almost did. What am I doing?
Please be careful.
I love you. You're in park, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, shit. Okay. All right. Once I say reverse, reverse, okay? Okay, reverse. Okay, reverse. Okay, stop. Okay, reverse. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, stop. Somehow, this is working.
Please be careful.
Okay. Okay, reverse. Reverse. Okay, stop. Okay, reverse. Reverse. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, stop. Oh my God. I have no idea how this is working. Keep going.
Go down.
Okay, keep going. Okay, stop.
Safe.
Yeah, I'm okay. Okay, reverse a little bit. A little bit more. A little bit. Okay, stop. Woo! We did it! Somehow. Hold on. I gotta make sure this is on the rails and I'm trying not to dent your roof. Somehow, we just did that. And hopefully, you guys were able to see. Holy crap. Oh. So next what we're going to do is just slide down the attachment bolts and rails for securing it to the rooftop. Wow. Can't believe we did it. I mean, that was a lot easier than manhandling it up there, I'll be honest, but it worked. So thank you, Hey Fun. We're going to go have some fun this weekend. Alright, we got a few bags here. Let's see what's in here. Alright. This is not what I need. Don't need any of that. Need that. Just gonna need these, which are gonna go inside the rail. So essentially it's gonna go in just like that. Perfect. Attach this one. And that's like so. So then you have the crossbar in between here. And then you're just gonna put the lock nut on there. And there's that rail right here. So I can only bring it that far. Then I gotta lift it over the rail and slide them. And then I gotta lift this up while you move that. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay, you want to... Oh.
Oh, what?
It needs to be in the middle.
Oh, girl.
Girl, I'm sorry. I thought I kind of made that obvious. There we go. I'll still probably just finger tighten these for now. Just measure from the hardware to the bracket right here for the roof rail, which is just about 4 inches. I'm gonna swap it, come over here, and see, you can see the difference. Look at that. 3 1/4. So obviously this needs to go over a little bit. See if that helps. It's like 3 3/4 and 3 3/4. Woo. Oh, I hate heights. Okay. All right, that's a wrap. There it is. Now, for a moment of truth. Oh, I forgot to peel this off. Okay, we'll peel it off. Peeling off the plastic. That's it. She's looking beautiful. Moment of truth. Does she pop up? What if we installed it upside down? Okay, that's impossible, but boom. Wow. So cool. The issue is I can't get inside here without the ladder, and the ladder's inside here. Oh no. Our trunk's too big.
I was gonna say, aren't you supposed to do it on the side?
Yeah. I mean, you're supposed to be able to do it on the trunk part, but look, can't reach.
Yeah, I was gonna say, we got a big boot.
It's alright.
Big booty doo.
Bootylicious just means we gotta use it over here. I'll do it. Ooh. Ooh, this kind of hurts on my feet. Ow. Alright, I'm definitely gonna climb up here with my shoes on. Ugh. Whoa. Is it okay? We did it! Oh. It's crazy. It's like a whole different view up here. Oh my gosh,
I was
it's
gonna say,
smoking.
can you see all that?
Yeah. Holy crap. It smells so fresh and new in here.
It's so cute.
Let me just set up the little corners like that. I'm not going to do all that today. I just want to make sure this is secured fairly well. Yeah, if I'm able to shake the whole car, it means it's secured pretty good to me. We got the hitch on, and we got the rooftop tent on. Wow. That was kind of...
You're telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to believe